How to withdraw tokens from Polkadex to other networks via THEA. Once you have moved funds from your trading account back to your funding account using the transfer function on the Orderbook Balances page, you are ready to withdraw tokens to their network of origin. Click Withdraw on the desired asset to navigate to the THEA interface. Click From to select your funding account wallet containing the balance you would like to withdraw from Polkadex. Click To and select the withdrawal destination network along with your destination network account. Choose the asset and amount you want to withdraw, then click the Withdraw button. Confirm the details on the side window. Click Confirm Transaction and approve the transaction using your wallet's browser extension to initiate your withdrawal. After a 1000 block safety delay, about 4 hours, your withdrawal will flow from Polkadex to your chosen destination network. Check your updated balances on Polkadex by going to the Assets tab on THEA or the Balances page on Polkadex Orderbook. Finally, check your wallet balance on the destination network after the 1000 block delay to verify your successful withdrawal.